Okay, I'm hoping that all of you have got Capture downloaded to your phone and you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and look at it just really quick. All right, so Capture has several different screens. You can uh, do all kinds of different things. This is just for my library. What you've got is you can create things with, you can record sound effects and speech recordings and that sort of thing. You can create graphics, like you can take a photograph and you can make shapes, and those can be imported into Illustrator. Um, they also have colors, which we'll get back to in just a second. You can take a photograph in this particular app of type, and it will tell you a good either the name of the text or a good substitute for the text, the font family. You can make patterns. It sort of works like a kaleidoscope, but you can make patterns in here. You can make textures in here. You can make brushes and even looks, although I have not used this one very much. The others are really super fun to play with. So let's go back to colors. Now I want to see, here we go. Okay, so click on colors on create. All right, I want you to, now I just took a photograph of my little throw that I have, my Texas Tech throw that I use whenever I'm watching TV. And you see these little circles on your side of it. Those are probably moving around, and you can actually choose different areas if you want to. You can kind of move it and manipulate it so that it will pick about five colors, and it'll give you the RGB values and the brightness on that. And whenever you finally get to the point that and here's the colors right here. When you finally get to what you like, just click it and save it, and you'll get this screen. And then you can take a screenshot. And I'll accept either this one or this shot of picking your colors. What I want you to do is here's the exercise. So I want you to experiment with Adobe Capture. You can do all kinds of different things with it. You can play with it, and I would suggest that you do because you can really use this for a lot of good things. But what I want you to do for this lab exercise is to point it at something and get a palette, or take a photograph, or use one of your existing photographs. I just want you to do three separate kinds of palettes and take a screenshot of it and load those screenshots into Canvas. And this will be due on Sunday. So it won't take very long, but it's really fun. You'll find yourself kind of getting into it, I think.